This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my current trade on Chainlink today. Chainlink, um, let's see, this is the weekly chart. This is the 4-hour chart. This is the 15-minute chart. Chainlink got my attention this morning because of the price action. I was trading here in this area of S3. Let's change this here. This is S4 and this is S3. So the Camarilla pivot level at S4 is a trade signal to trade short. So this got my attention this morning with the price action trading at and below the S4 level. Also on all time frames, the price action is trading below this blue line that you're seeing here. This is the 200 exponential moving average. So price action is trading below it on the weekly, trading below it on the 4-hour, and also price action this morning was trading below it on the 15-minute. So the correlation between the Camarilla pivot position and the 200 EMA across all three time frames got me interested in taking a position in Chainlink. Just needed the rest of the signals to set up. This particular trade was taken off of news this afternoon here at the market close. The president gave a speech on tariffs, and this got the market set up for a buy here and then a sell. I'll walk you through what I have for my first entries here, and then I can break most stuff down here on the 4-hour for the overall trade idea, and then I'll walk you through my entries a bit better on the 15-minute. So 3 entries I took here at this level. If you can see here on the 4-hour, I took 3 entries here. So let's call them these 3 back here. So with these entries, I'll show you where my stop loss is. My stop loss is, here we go, and I'll back up a bit. My stop loss is, for these top 3 entries, my stop loss is a few cents above, I think 14 cents. There's a 13-cent spread on Chainlink, and my stop loss is 14 cents above this candle here. So this candle here, this 4-hour candle, is 14,396. My stop loss is 14,401. Is my stop loss here for these 3 entries, and then for my lower entries, for these lower entries here, my stop loss is 13,923. And then I can show that stop loss when I come up here on the 15-minute. You won't be able to see it in this very, very bearish 4-hour candle here. You won't be able to see the details. But my profit target, I'll have to show you on here on the 4-hour. In addition to that, this weekly candle that we're in right here has just recently broke the low and sold below the low. So this low, I'll bring your attention right here. This will show you the low here when I scan the mouse over this candle. So this low was 12,942. Now the low is 12,838. So we've broken through this week's low. And then my target is above this candle here, and this low is 11,833, and my target is actually I'll walk you through the trade idea here. So this Camarilla pivot level here is S4, and based on the CAM system, the Camarilla pivot system, S4 is a signal to go short. This particular trade idea, based on this news and the reaction to it, normally I would go for an S6 trade, which is right here. This is actually S6, and you can see the price action has just blown right through the S6 level and sold off aggressively. So my target is the S10 level, and I'll show you. These are my upper targets. You can see down here, this is this green line here, right here, or this is this being take profit. Here, this being the take profit, and you can see this green line that's flowing here. So this is my take profit here at 1241, if we can get that far. And then we'll come down here to the lower targets, and I'll just pick one. So 6 entries, all the same profit target down here at 1241, and I'll just pick one and pull up here. So we're near the close or near the low of this candle here. If we can get that far, I could take profits at any time now, but there's been so little pullback. You can see this pullback here, you can see some pullback here, and then there's been some pullback here, but the selling is so aggressive. I'm willing to take my chances to see if we can get down to the S10 level. It may go beyond that, it may not get that far, but right now, based on the news event and the price action, I'm just going to do my best to hold on for the S10 target, and we'll see how it goes. Now we'll come up here on the 15 minute, and I'll walk you through my entry here. So we'll come in here, we'll go back up a little higher here in a bit, but this is the Camarilla pivot R3 up here. So price action here, this is this morning, trading below the S4 level here this morning. Then we get, looks like we put in a new low here, and we may be putting in another low, depending on how if price action holds up here. So I had a Fibonacci retracement going just in case the 15-minute candle held up, or the 15-minute time frame held up for the trade, but it went well beyond that, turned into a 4-hour time frame type of trade, and we're still putting in new lows. Very good. So still holding for target. So the price action actually goes above this 200 EMA, comes up here to the R3 level, and then there's a liquidity grab that happens here. Could probably show it better on the 4-hour, but you can see here price action. This is the high previously, where you see this Fibonacci retracement level here, or this Fibonacci retracement tool here. This high of this candle, where I've got my market structure based off of, is 14,384. With this 14,384, this candle comes in at 14,389. So to me, I would call this a liquidity grab or liquidity sweep. Price action coming up just to get this. This would be buy side liquidity that's up here. coming up, getting this buy side liquidity, and then we can see this aggressive sell down. So I'm seeing a liquidity grab here on the 4-hour chart. And then, as I mentioned before, my stop is just placed right here above this candle here, this candle right here. So back up here. So when that liquidity grab happens, I take an entry. I take 3 entries, and then with the stop being back there, and then we get some aggressive selling right away, moving in from the target, from the entries, and all the entries are right here in this area. And then we get selling, and then we get, and that's these entries here at the top are definitely aggressive. There was no clear indication except for the potential of the price action being a liquidity grab. So with that trade idea, but without any confirmations, I use that this candle as a stop. But I can't say this is, let's say, set up, or this didn't set up on the 15-minute. But it does set up for this set of entries here. So on this set of entries, if we look at market structure, this would be a previous strong low, this being previous week high, and then this puts in the next strong low for this liquidity grab candle here, now being the week high structurally. And then on this candle that set up the week high, the aggressive selling comes down. Price action sells below this 200 EMA here. This is the 200 EMA, and this is also, this is also the S3 level. So at a critical level, this candle comes down. It engulfs. So it's an engulfing candle. It engulfs this whole candle here, but it also forms a market structure shift as it takes out this strong low here. So based on the numbers here, this strong low was 1371. And this candle comes in at a low of 13,706. So just puts in a market structure shift here. And then there's pullback here. This is when I decide to take the entries here. The entries are just above the 200 EMA and the S3 level. So I take the entries, 3 separate ones here. And then we get more selling, a little bit of consolidation, and then we take another leg down, a bit more consolidation, and since then we've had some more aggressive sell legs, some pullback here in this candle, but still seem to be selling here in the current 15-minute candle, and this 15-minute candle has put in the most recent low down here at 1279. And again, my profit target here being the 1241 profit target. This being Camarilla Pivot S4. My normal target for an S4 traverse would be here at this S6 level. But again, I'm taking this a bit further and see if we can reach the S10 level here, just based on the news and the price action. Maybe we can, maybe we can't. But so far the trade has been working out fairly well, and I'll continue to monitor to see if we can actually hit profit target, or if I want to exit. I believe if price action came back above this last pullback level, then I would more than likely take an exit. With all this aggressive selling, I would want to see just further consolidation here before the next leg down to the S10 level. But again, we'll keep an eye on this and see how it goes. But so far, so good today with this trade here on CHAINLINK. This is On Tilt Trading, and we'll see you next time.